Welcome back. If you're enjoying the content, don't forget to like and subscribe. In Python, a function is like a recipe or a set of instructions that you can define once and use many times. Define the function to calculate the area of a rectangle. Length is the first parameter, representing the length of the rectangle. Width is the second parameter, representing the width of the rectangle. The area of a rectangle is calculated by multiplying its length and width. Multiply length and width to get the area. The result, area, is returned to the caller of the function. This function takes two arguments, the length and width, and returns the area of the rectangle. Now we will use the function by providing it with values for the length and width. For this example, we will calculate the area of a rectangle with a length of 5 units and a width of 3 units. This variable stores the length of the rectangle, 5 units. This variable stores the width of the rectangle, 3 units. Now we call the function with the above values to calculate the area. We store the result returned by the function in calculated_area. Finally, we print the result, which is the area of the rectangle. This will output the area of the rectangle based on the length and width provided earlier. Now run our code. I appreciate you watching. Be sure to like and subscribe if you want more content.